All right, folks. So we went to Walgreens and we got one of their lightning packs. So these things are supposed to come with 4 packs plus 1 bonus card. It even says it again on the back. 4 Pokemon packs and 1 bonus card. And it says the products in this package have been purchased directly from manufacturer, purchased from the secondary market, and repackaged for retail by the Fairfield Company. Let's open this up and see what it actually has. And as you can see from the front, it had some Halloween packs. So we're not too excited about that being one of our 4 packs in our Halloween pack. So let's see what we got. We got Trick or Trade. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So we got a Temporal Forces and a Pokemon Go. So we're gonna weigh these things, put it on our scale. It's first. And Trick or Trade, 6.3943. 6.3265. So they're off a little bit, not too much. Well, they're all 6.3 grams. Individual card that came with it, and they call this one bonus card, is a Ninetales EX. And Ninetales EX for 38 of 165. And we got 2 stars. That's a Starlight foil. And if we look at it, it actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. Got a nick up here. Got a little edge going on right there, you can see. Got another nick. Nope, that was dust. Got a nick right there. Yeah, what its value is. So we'll leave that on the table. All right, going back to our packs and our weight. This is a Pokemon Go pack. And our Temporal Forces. Alright. So let's go ahead and start opening these guys up and see what we got. Pack 1. Coco. We got a Monkey Dory foil and a Pumpkaboo. There you go. So we got 1 foil. That pack was heavier than the other ones. Let's see what we got. We got a Sprigatito, Chandelure, and our foil is an Ogerpon. Coming new out of the package, they're looking pretty good. Good trade. Here we go. Another Sprigatito. Litwick. And our foil is a Pheasantipity. And that's a Starlight foil. Look at that. Beautiful cards. Our Galaxy foil. Go ahead and sleeve that one out. Poltergeist. Oh, there's a popular card if it were in the EX. Umbreon. So one in a sleeve. And we got another Munkadori. We got 2 of those. So obviously we're not pulling anything fancy. Not yet. That Umbreon is probably the most valuable card here, even though it's a common. Oh no, it's uncommon. So which one we go first? Let's do Temporal Forces, because I think we're going to get something better out of the Pokemon Go pack. Let's see. It's 5. So we got Pokemon Live. Okay, here we go. So we're good. We got Basic Energy. Fighting. Roselia. Cutiefly. Drillbur. Rowler. Rapidash. Boltund. Mudstale. Reverse Foil Bronzong. Reverse Foil Arbok. And it's blue. It's got a giant wave. Feraligatr in a foil. Last pack, Pokemon Go. This one weighs 21.93 grams. Okay, here we go. We got Energy, Pupitar, Chansey. This is Pokemon Go. Spark, trainer card. Eevee. Normal. Alolan Raticate. Tranquil. Bulbasaur. We're going to like that one. I like Bulbasaur. Oh, Charmander reverse foil. Nice. It's a Charmander. My favorite Pokemon. And Rainbow Foil Spark Trainer. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. What a fantastic card. And that card is in fantastic condition. Look at that. We're going to go ahead and sleeve that guy out. What a card. I don't know how much it's worth, but it's a beautiful card. Full art on that card for Pokemon Go. Spark Trainer. Nice. And we got that reverse foil Charmander on the Pokemon Go. That is the Walgreens Lightning set. And so even though it had the Halloween packs in it, had the 4 Halloween trick-or-trades, it did have a Pokemon Go, and it had a Temporal Forces booster. So for 20 bucks, and I got a coupon for 20% off, so that's down to 16 bucks. For 16 bucks, I pulled all of that. So we'll have to check the prices and get this thing posted up so you guys can watch it. All right. See you guys next time.